Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chris again, OZ Canopies and 4x4, your favorite four-wheel drive presenter, presenting himself again. That sounded a little bit. I'm not presenting anything.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Anyway, let's get into the video. What do we got? We've got a brand new LDV Terron 9. I really do like the look of these brand new utes. Today, getting one of our exclusive. From what I understand, we are the only suppliers in the entirety of the country with a canopy for this bad boy at the moment. And what a canopy it is. Basically an entirely seamless fit and finish. Looks absolutely lovely if I do say so myself. It is a bit of an involved install, and we're going to show you how to do it today. So other than that, let's get right into it.
got what you wanted, but money fade fast like a summer fling. Was it worth it? It paid your fees, flew overseas. It made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, forgot how to breathe. Now the weather's clear, but my dear, standing face to face with the mirror, like it's zero. No one's got a thinking it. Don't need a mask or a hero, like it's zero, but this ain't wasted. Like an empire, building towers and breaking heights. You wanted to be her, well, guess what? You're what you never had. They made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, you learn how to breathe, and now the weather's clear, my dear. Standing face to face with the mirror, like it's zero. No one's gonna fix it. Don't need a mask or a hero, like it's zero, and it ain't here to stop. Now you're face to face with the mirror, like it's zero. No one's gonna slow you down. Don't need a
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed that involved process. You can see basically you got to remove half the car before the canopy can go on there, but you end up with this lovely, lovely fit and finish, if I do say so myself, with these Terron 9 fiberglass canopies. Give us a call right away. These ones, we are struggling to keep them in stock at the moment. Like I mentioned, we are the only people in the country that have got a canopy for it. We'll just go through it very quickly. You can see, very straightforward, just how much space is gained. This particular customer spec'd this one with a driver side sliding window, making sure that we can get the air that the dog, I'm assuming that's going to go in there, will need. But you've got still the passenger side lift up for that easy access, even though this ute's fairly tall, if I don't say so myself. Other than that, we've also added the platform on top. Very, very straightforward. That nice little lovely backbone style fitting as well. Load it up to your heart's content. 100 kilograms variable load, 200 kilograms static load. All the fiberglass canopies have. Other than that, guys, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got plenty more of these videos in the pipeline. If you enjoyed it, like the video, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.